Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all, my dear viewers? I hope that everyone is pretty fine and doing very well. Today, we are diving deep into 5 to 200 nail art designs that look incredibly expensive but are actually easy enough to do at home. Whether you are gel enthusiast or a regular polish pro, these techniques are going to level up your manicure game. Before we paint, let's talk prep. I've already pushed back my cuticles and dehydrated the nail plate with some alcohol. Remember, a clean canvas is the secret to a mini that lasts 3 weeks instead of 3 days. First up, the micro fringe. This isn't your grandma's French manicure. We are going ultra thin. Pro tip is don't use the brush that comes in the bottle. Grab a long, thin liner brush. I'm loading it with a high pigment white gel. Instead of moving the brush, I want you to rotate your finger. See how that creates a much smoother arc. If you mess up, just use a flat brush dip in acetone to curve the line back into shape. Abstract nail art is my favorite because literally cannot mess it up. We are using a palette of sage green, green, and chocolate brown. The trick here is layering. Start with your thickest line first. Don't worry about it being perfect. The organic look is what we are going for. Once you cure the first color, overlap the second color slightly. This adds dimension. If the polish feels too thick, mix in a tiny drop of clear top coat to make it more fluid. Okay, this is where the magic happens. We are using a cat eye or magnetic polish. After applying a coat, don't cure it yet. Grab your magnet. If you want that velvet look where the whole nail shimmers, push the magnet from the sides and the bottom towards the center. It's like moving liquid silk. If you want a sharp line, hold the magnet still over one spot for 10 seconds. Look at that depth. Now for something a bit more advanced, we are going a 3D chrome floors. I'm using a non-wipe builder gel to create 5 small beads for the petals. Notice how I'm using a dotting tool to drag the center of the bead inward. Once that cured, we are rubbing on some cold chrome powder. Use a silicone tool for this. It gives a much mirror-like finish that a sponge. Dust off the excess or it will make your whole nail glittery later. So my dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, then must visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to nail art designs. I've shared summer nail art designs, winter nail art designs, autumn and spring nail art designs, and lots of beautiful different countries street style fashion like London, Milan, Germany, France, Italian and Spanish. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I've shared with the name of nail art designs. Dear viewers, also I have shared occasional dresses, party dresses, evening dresses, wedding proms, gala dresses, and lots of ideas related to occasional dresses. So different ages women's outfits like over 30, over 40, over 50 and over 60 women's outfit ideas. Hope so you will enjoy and like those ideas. If you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. So must tell me in the comment section which nail art design you like the most. I've shared all the beautiful latest and stylish nails for your pretty nails. So dear viewers, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos.